there you have the town of Vogar. That's where we park the car, like a roundabout or Vogar roundabout, and then people walk here to see the volcano. Some walk extremely far, but I don't recommend that because there are many fishes. I am sure many are reaching the volcano or coming very close to it. I won't do it today and I don't recommend you to do that because it's not really a proper trail here, but it can be dangerous. You know, one hiker already fell into the fissure here. And, but lots of fountains there, lava fountains as you see. Maybe I walk somewhat closer, I don't know. We are walking closer. Actually, there is lots of people walking to the volcano, and you can come all the way until the where the grass is bearing. I was told by the guys. Can't walk any further after that, but there you have the best view. So altogether it takes maybe 1 hour from the road until where the grass is burning. It's not that bad, and the hike is not that bad either. Well, there are some falls, like ancient falls here and there, but if you're careful enough, at least I don't advise this to anybody, but you know, many people are walking, and if one wishes to really to see the volcano, I mean, I made it here without any difficulties and kept the highways open. And this volcano can be filmed from what I see now, where I can walk and how far I can walk. It means I can film this volcano easily. I mean, from drone, from every angle. The thing is that my phone, which I used to fly drone, is out of battery. I took a power bank, but I haven't taken the cable. I didn't come prepared for this because I simply didn't know it's possible to walk here. I just wanted to check the situation, and I see it's possible. So, and that is good news. But of course, there is no real trail, and you have to walk out, you know, through such terrain. A lot of mud in some places, like here. I can't stay long here because tomorrow I have to go to work. Maybe I come here tomorrow after work And then I will have drone batteries charged, you know, all the equipment, tripod, come close, film it from every angle if it's still erupting. But it should because it should last for some weeks, like the last two eruptions. 2-3 weeks at least, maybe half a year, like Vogar, because now it's close to Vogar. But well, I don't know, some weeks probably, most likely. But this is kind of a different type of beast, because the other eruptions from this row were more or less in one location. This broke up in an entirely new location, much further north, and this is not really Sunnuka crater row that far. I think that's not quite correct to call it Sunnuka because it's something. It's in a different location. So, but along the same line, much further north. But Sunnuka crater row does not extend that far. So, oops. It's a good exercise to walk here. Let's see what we see from here. See the hikers. Yeah, from this point you can really easily fly to the volcano. I'll film it because it's not that far. Anyway, I will walk further and then I will continue filming.